Hey, what happened to my Porsche? Why is there so many trash? Oh my god. Yo dude, what's that? Oh, that's just my rocket ship. Why does it look so bad? Looks like well, I just made it out of tin cans and scrap aluminum. Okay, can we ride there? Yeah, come on, let's go. Yo, it's so cool being in a spaceship, but why are there like pillows surrounding us to hide the wirings? Oh, okay. Alright, you ready to go to space? Alright. Why is it taking forever? Why did it not launch? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I use these Asian olive bomb bags as the fuel. Oh, okay. Let's give this baby a shot. Promise that there will be no technical issues. Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So where are we going to? We're going to the moon. Okay, how long will it take? Like I think like 5 days or something. 5 days? What are we supposed to do to entertain ourselves? I did install some entertainment though. Let's do a montage. You're right.